How the heck are ya? It's Hesty's Garage Talk back again with a Diablo Trinity review. What the hellcat did I do to my car? First off, you guys know that I installed the Diablo Trinity and modified PCM last week. I dropped a video on the installation. Please check it out. Give me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you like it or not. If you don't, that's fine. Open to some suggestions. However, feel free to skim through it and find the pieces where you need it. I think there's some value that you can find if you're trying to install it yourself. There's a few little things that I had to figure out while I was doing it, and I think it would have been easier to watch somebody else do it first. First off, the first night I did some pulls with street mode and track mode. The shift points are way smoother, track shifts are way smoother, still aggressive. I felt a lot more power. I'm definitely very happy with it. Another thing, I know you guys probably don't care if you're looking for more power, but one of the big factors I noticed was that my miles per gallon actually increased quite a bit. Cruising in street mode on the highway, I'm getting about 23 to 24 average instead of like 21 to 22, which is kind of cool. Also in eco mode, I'm up to like 25 to 27 cruising instead of like 24. So that's pretty nice if you're looking for a little bit more gas mileage. You like to have fun, but you also don't want to waste all your money in gas. It's a pretty neat upgrade. Check that out. Let me know if you're getting similar results. As far as the Diablo Trinity handheld itself, I'm pretty happy with the product. I definitely noticed a couple freezes. Gauge is taking a while to load. One of the troubleshooting tips I have for that is to swipe up or down. You'll get a little mini menu on the top or the bottom. Click any of those things, whether it's diagnostics, performance tests, or tune, and then exit, and your gauges will load no problem. The display is like super high quality. The LED screen's awesome. I'm happy with the product. I recommend it for any Hellcat. If you want a little bit more out of your car, but you're not trying to get too crazy, definitely do it. I got it so I could do a custom tune with my pulleys and injectors coming down the road. And I understand that some of you are probably HP fans, which is fine. I just feel like the Diablo is a little bit more user-friendly for a novice or entry-level guy. I think it's a little bit more handy to have some of those extra gauges on there that the car doesn't have stock, and rather than installing extra gauges, it's all there on one screen. I also installed a 180 degree thermostat. My car now operates at about 185 to 192 degrees. Cooler car equals more power, so I'm pretty stoked about that. The installation was super easy. Please let me know if you want me to explain it to you or drop a video on how to install that. Very do-it-yourself. Don't waste your money going out there and having someone do it for you. It literally takes 15 minutes or less. I got a couple things coming in the mail this week. Pretty pumped about that. Stay tuned for some more parts, product reviews, garage talk, and a video of Mufasa the Hellcat. Check me out on Instagram at Mufasa Hellcat. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.